Right, this will be fun. I've recently been posting pronunciation things, sort of videos for the Cornish language. I thought the rest of the Celtic nations would be getting a bit left out. So I'm going to try and do some Scottish. I've got a book in front of me. The words underneath with Scottish words that make sense. Apparently how you pronounce the word, so yeah. So if you didn't get that, just yeah. So Lama is good day. Falcher is welcome. If I get any of these wrong, by the way, just comment and tell me how to say them properly, please. Apparently there's a saying this, what are you? That's right. I've got Kamara Hau. How are you? La Margut Hain. La Margut Hain is good day to you. As a reply. Agumar Tapalet is very well, thank you. I'm going to give up now because this is probably so yeah, I'll put the words up in the video and learn your language. Learn your language.